With the strut assembled, I'm going to put it up into the hole, place this over the top. All of this is under the hood, which will be this hole right here. This will be placed on the top. Piston top of the strut is going to come up through this hole, and then I'll place this nut on it and torque it down. Strut is up in there. The new cap is on. Nut is on. I've only turned it a couple of revolutions just to hold the strut in place. Gonna go down bottom. I have placed the strut in the spindle here. I have to now install the two bolts, one here and one here.